All right, good morning, United Currency, coins, and crypto. So we are going to go over some of the new bills that we actually have right now. Now, this section is going to be based upon four pairs notes. Okay, so four pairs notes are a bit easy to identify, but you have to look at carefully. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here. Okay, and explain a four pairs note. As we look at the serial number here, we're going to end up making sure that each digit is doubled. Okay, so let's look at what we have. We have 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Now, what are our three main digits here? Our three main digits are 1, 2, and 3. There's no 4 or 5 or 9 or 0. Okay, now, since we only have three main digits, that makes this a trinary note. Okay, so this automatically makes it a trinary note. Now, one of these digits needs to be doubled. So there needs to be more than 3 of the same digit. And what we look at is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 2s here. Now what we're going to look at is the 1. Is there 2 1s? Yes. Is there 2 3s? Yes, they're actually together. So as long as we have pairs in this, even if it's double, we have a double 3, a double 2, another double 2, and a double 1. We have a 4 pairs note. All right, let's give you another example right now. Okay, I'm going to bring this up and put this down here. Perfect. Okay, now let's start with the 7 one here, as it'll be a lot easier. We have 77006565. What makes this a 4 pairs note and not a trinary? Okay, this 7, 0, 6, and 5 makes it not a trinary because we have 4 unique digits. We have a 7 here, a 0 here, a 6 here, and a 5 here. Okay, however, there needs to be double of those digits. We have 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 0s, and 2 7s. So this here is a 4 pairs note. That is not a trinary. Now, if we look down here, you're going to end up seeing we have 115, 1115, 8581. There's 4 1s here, 2 5s, and 2 8s. So even though it's a trinary note, which is 1, 5, and 8, which are our unique digits, we still have 4 pairs within this note. Okay, very important. Very, very important. All right, so let's go over the 4 pairs note collection that I have, because most people want to make sure that if you're building up a collection, the collection you have is correct. Okay, so I'm going to expand this all the way till you get those 3 bills. Okay, 05, 060, 650. Now, this is a trinary note as well. However, it's also a 4 pairs note. This, however, is 5, 2, and 7. It's also a trinary. But what makes it a 4 pairs is I've got double 7s, I've got double 5, I've got double 2, and another double 5. Simple as that. What do we have here? We have triple 5 and another 5. So I already know I've got 4 5s here and the 9696. Okay, very simple. Another one that we have up here is this here. 1, 0, and 8. Beautiful trinary note, by the way. But it's also a 4 pairs note because I have double 8, double 0, and quadruple 1s. Okay, so let's go over some of the newer bills I've actually added. So what I do is once or twice a month, I go to the bank and I get new bills and I add newer bills in. So if you've seen the previous video, we're going to go over the new bills. New bills are as follows. 20334042. This is not a trinary note, as we have 203 and 4 here, but a beautiful 4 pairs note nonetheless. We have a 15656919. So a unique one. We really don't have 9s in there as well to actually see that. Okay. More 4 pairs here. Beautiful 79070988. Double 8, double 9, double 0, and double 7. So these are uniquely spaced so you can actually see it. But again, you may also run into trinaries, 2 0 6s, right? Guess what? Double 2, double zero, double six, and another double two. Trinary note. However, it's also 4 pairs. Does that add to the value of it? Yes, because that means you have 2 different fancy serial numbers in it. You're always going to have these double types of bills that will add value because you're always going to have different unique types of digits in it. Okay? So let's go over some of the newer ones as well we have here. You've got a 2, 2, 6, 6, 5, and 9. We have a double 6, 0, 6, 3, 6, 0, 3. And on the other previous page here, we've got another beautiful trinary, which is a 1, 2, and 3, a 1, 5, and 8. So these are all trinary notes right here, but they're also 4 pairs. You have to make sure that they're 4 pairs. They can also be trinaries, okay? Just like the other ones we've had. Now, some of the bills are not in good condition, even if they're 4 pairs notes, so you will get a lower value of it, especially due to condition. All right, look at this bill. It's got a dip in it, which it shouldn't. So I should actually go in there and fix that, right? But then look at the condition of this bill, how rusty it looks. And then you look at this bill. This bill is an uncirculated note that came fresh out of a pack, which was beautiful, right? No tears, no creases, no cracks, no laggings, no markings, nothing. Only been touched once. And that's by a money printer and me. 654, 652. Double 2, double 4. And look at that. So this is interesting. The 6s, this would look like a small little repeater. 6544, 6522. 4 pairs, note, beautifully spaced. This will go for a higher price right now. Okay? Very simple. Remember your special numbers, which are 7s, 8s, and 0s. All right? This is what we have. Have a good day. Remember to like and follow, and links in the description to be better. And United Currency Coins and Crypto out.